How to hide and delete a collection in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So first, I'm just going to do it from the Shopify theme editor, and then I'm also going to show you how to remove the entire thing from your store. So first, just log into your Shopify admin online store and click on Edit Theme. Now, you simply just want to locate the collection that you want to delete. In this case, it's going to be this one, the deletable collection. And we have a few things, I think 3 different things that we can do here in order to basically remove it. So it's basically this one on the left, it says featured collection. And how do I know this is the one? If you hover over it, you can see that it is highlighted here on this screen. Otherwise, what you can do is make sure that this is toggled on here on the top right corner and click on it entirely. This is just going to highlight it again for you on the left side. So once you actually find it, you're going to find 2 different icons here. First one is the eye, which basically hides it. It doesn't remove it. It's pretty much hidden. No one is actually going to be able to see it, but it's also going to give you the option to just toggle it back on if you want to at any point. Or the other one, which is completely removing it, and this basically just deletes it from your store. It's not going to be visible anymore. Now, the third thing that I'm going to show you is if you click on it itself, and what we can do is actually replace it with a different collection. So by clicking on it, we can see the collection tab here. You can click on that and click on replace. And now you're just going to find a list of all the different collections that you basically created for your store. So you can just simply replace it. So these are the 3 different things that you can do in here when it comes to the editor and how to remove it. So we can just delete it like so, and we're pretty much good to go if you want to do that. So what else can we actually do? We can entirely remove the collection for good by going to products on the Shopify admin, click on collections, and we should be able to find it right over here. You simply just want to click on the box right next to it, and you simply just want to click on the 3 dots here and click on delete collection. And now it's pretty much gone for good. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.